Welcome, beautiful people, to this Reiki healing meditation. Today, we will focus on healing body aches and pains, allowing Reiki energy to flow through you, releasing tension, discomfort, and any blocked energy. Before we begin, I invite you to have a glass of water nearby. At the end of this meditation, I will guide you to take a few sips to help you ground your energy and support your body's healing process. If you don't have any water with you now, feel free to pause this video and get some. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to fully relax. This is your time for deep healing. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold this air in your lungs for a few seconds. And now exhale slowly until your lungs are completely empty. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply, feeling fresh, healing energy filling your body. Hold for a few seconds. And exhale slowly, releasing tension, discomfort, and stress. Let's do that one more time. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold the air in your lungs a few seconds. And now exhale slowly until your lungs are completely empty. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice any areas of discomfort or aches. There is no need to resist or judge. Simply acknowledge what you feel. In this moment, you are safe. You are supported, and you are open to healing. Now let's take a moment to set an intention for this meditation. Silently or out loud, repeat the following. I invite Reiki energy to flow through me. I release all tension, aches, and pain. My body is healing. My body is strong. I allow my body to restore itself with ease and grace. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a few seconds and exhale slowly as you feel this intention settling into your energy. You are now ready to receive deep, loving, healing energy. Now imagine a soft, white, healing light above your head. This is pure Reiki energy flowing from the universe, ready to heal and restore your body. This white light begins to gently enter through the crown of your head, filling your mind and peace with clarity. Any mental tension melts away. The light slowly moves down into your neck and shoulders, dissolving tightness and stiffness. Feel it warming and soothing any areas of discomfort. Now this healing light travels into your arms and hands. If your hands feel tired or achy, imagine the light flowing through your palms, bringing relief and relaxation. The light continues downward into your chest and heart space. Feel it expanding, opening your heart to healing and filling your body with compassion and love. Now this Reiki energy moves into your stomach, lower back, and your hips, releasing any stored tension, aches, or tightness. The white light flows into your legs, your knees, and your feet, grounding you in comfort and ease. Finally, the healing energy fills your entire body, Imagine it pulsing with warmth and gentle waves, soothing every cell, muscle, and joint. Your entire body is now bathed in healing light. Now gently bring your awareness to the area of your body that needs healing the most. Imagine this white Reiki light focusing directly on that spot. See the light swirling gently, dissolving any pain, tension, or discomfort. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold that air in your lungs for a few seconds and exhale slowly, letting go of pain and resistance. If you have multiple areas of discomfort, visualize the Reiki light flowing between them, soothing, relaxing, and healing every part of you. You may start to feel a gentle tingling, warmth, or lightness. This is your body accepting healing and restoring balance. Allow yourself to fully surrender to this Reiki energy. You do not have to do anything. Just relax and receive. As the Reiki energy continues flowing through you, I invite you to repeat the following healing affirmations silently or out loud. My body is healing with ease and grace. Every cell in my body is vibrant, healthy, and strong. I trust my body's natural ability to heal and restore. I am free from pain and filled with peace. I allow allow Reiki energy to bring comfort, relief, and balance. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly, absorbing these affirmations into your energy. The Reiki energy will now gently seal this healing, continuing to work within you even after this meditation ends. Imagine the white healing light slowly absorbing into your body, leaving you feeling strong, relaxed, and at ease. Take a moment to express gratitude for your body, for its strength, resilience, and ability to heal. Now gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch gently if you like. And when you are ready, open your eyes gently. Before you get up, take a few sips of water. Drinking water will help you ground your energy and support the healing process. Stay hydrated over the next few hours to allow this healing to integrate fully. Carry this sense of relief and comfort with you throughout your day. Remember, your body is strong, your body is capable, and your body is always healing. You are safe, supported, and deeply loved by the universe. If this meditation helped you, please share it with others who may need healing. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you are notified every time I post a new healing video. You can also join my Reiki circle every Friday at 2 p.m. UK time for a live healing session via Zoom. You'll find the link to join in the description and as a pinned comment below. Until next time, beautiful people, take care, be gentle with yourself, and stay grounded.